Regular maintenance will extend the life and get the best performance from your LG Core Zero A9 stick vacuum. Clean the pre-filter and exhaust filter at least once a month to prevent loss of suction and maintain the vacuum's cleaning performance. Under certain conditions, you may need to clean the filter more often. Examples of these conditions include: you vacuum every day, you have pets in the home, you have wall-to-wall carpeting, you wear shoes in the home. The product is designed to alert you if there is a restriction in airflow caused by a clog or dirty filters. You will notice a loss in suction, or the suction power will repeatedly cycle from high to low on its own. If this happens, immediately turn the vacuum off, check for clogs, and clean the filters. For more information on checking for clogs, check out our other videos on vacuum cleaner maintenance. Before you perform any maintenance, turn the vacuum off, empty the dustbin, and remove the battery. To clean the exhaust filter and pre-filter, twist open the top lid on the vacuum body. The exhaust filter is built into the twist-off lid. The green pre-filter can be accessed once the lid is removed. Shake off any large debris from the filters. Clean off fine debris with a small brush over a trash can, or go outside and use a can of compressed air. When using compressed air on the exhaust filter, make sure to direct the air as shown, from the outside in, top to bottom. Directing the air from the inside outward compacts the dust and debris into the filter. This increases airflow restriction or clog, and reduces the filter's performance even further. To clean the large dust separator filter, insert the crevice tool into the large dust separator and turn it counterclockwise to remove it. Shake off any large debris from the dust separator over a trash can. Clean off fine debris with a small brush. You can also wash the filter under running water. In order to effectively dislodge the dust from each filter, direct the water flow as shown. Exhaust filter outside in, top to bottom. The pre-filter inside out. And the large dust separator can be rinsed in any direction. After washing the filters, allow them to thoroughly dry for at least 24 hours before reinstalling them. Reinstalling the filters before they are completely dry may result in mildew or odor. Before reassembling the filters, you may also want to brush off any dust around the motor housing using the brush attachment. Do not use any wet towels or spray water or cleaner in this area. Also, keep your fingers or sharp objects out of the motor enclosure to avoid product damage, personal injury, or electric shock. Reassemble the pre-filter first. Then align the exhaust filter with the hollow indicator at top and turn the filter clockwise until the solid white indicators align. Reinsert the large dust separator filter into the motor housing. Insert the crevice tool into the large dust separator and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. And reinsert the battery. Operating the product with wet filters or without the filters will allow dust to reach the motor and could cause the malfunction. To maintain cleaning performance, clean the filters at least once a month or as needed. If you clean and maintain your vacuum properly, you will continue to enjoy great cleaning performance from your LG Core Zero A9 stick vacuum.